Good morning, students. This is ninth standard mathematics. Keep your notebook and pen ready to take notes. Today, we are going to learn about the new chapter, mensuration. This is the reduced syllabus of 9th standard mathematics. In this chapter mensuration, we are going to learn about exercise 7.4 and 7.5. Now, we will learn about the definition of mensuration. What is the definition of mensuration? Topic dealing with the use of formulae to calculate perimeters, areas, and volumes of plane shapes and solid ones is called the definition of mensuration. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the shapes cube and cuboid. Cube. Surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. This is the formula to find the surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square, and then the volume of a cube is equal to a cube. Here a is the edge of the cube. Cube has 6 faces and 6 edges. A is the edge of the cube. Now, let us learn about cuboids. Surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Volume of cuboids is equal to area of base into height, that is volume of cuboids is equal to L into B into H. Here L is length of the cuboid, B is the breadth of the cuboid, and H is the height of the cuboid. Now let us learn about some exercise problems in 7.4 and 7.5. This is the 7th chapter in your textbook. Mensuration is the 7th chapter in your book. Cuboid. Cuboid is nothing but a closed solid figure bounded by 6 rectangular plane regions. Example for cuboid is matchbox, brick, book, etc. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Ultimately, a cuboid has the shape of a rectangular box. Now, let us learn about the total surface area. TSA means total surface area, and LSA means lateral surface area. Total surface area and lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now, total surface area is nothing but the sum of the areas of all faces of the cuboid is called total surface area. The sum of the areas of the all faces that enclose the cuboid is called total surface area. And if we leave out the areas of the top and bottom, if we leave out the areas of the top and bottom of the cuboid, then we get what is known as lateral surface area, LSA, lateral surface area. Now, the formula is if the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are L, B, H respectively. Length is L, breadth of the cuboid is B, and height of the cuboid is h. So the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are L, B and H respectively. Then the formula for total surface area, that is TSA, total surface area, is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. Total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. And the LSA means lateral surface area. So LSA is equal to 2 into L plus B into H square units. Lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H square units. So this is the formula for TSA and LSA of the cuboid. Then let us learn about cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called as a cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called as a cube. That is, a cube is a solid having 6 square faces. All the faces of cube are equal. Here are some real life examples. What are the real life examples of cube? Dice, ice cubes, sugar cubes, chalk piece box, etc. etc. are the example for cube. Cube, being a cuboid, has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now, if the side of a cube is A units, then total surface area TSA is equal to, the formula is 6A square units. Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6A square units. And the lateral surface area LSA is equal to 4A square units. TSA of the cube is 6A square units and LSA of cube is 4A square units. These are the very important formulas of cube. Exercise 7.2, first problem. Find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are length is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth is equal to 15 centimeter and height is equal to 8 centimeter. So here in this problem they are given the length, breadth and height. We have to find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cuboid. So we have to find TSA and LSA of cuboid. Solution. What they are given in the problem? The length of the cuboid. So length, we have to take it as L. So length is equal to 20 centimeter. And what they are given? Breadth, isn't it? Breadth is equal to, what is the breadth? Breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. Breadth is equal to, breadth is B. Breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. And then what they are given? Height. Height H. Height H is equal to 8 centimeter. So L is 20 centimeter, B is 15 centimeter and H is 8 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area of the cuboid, isn't it? TSA, total surface area of cuboid. What is the formula for to find the total surface area of the cuboid? What is the formula? So the formula is 2 into LB 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. This is the formula for to find the total surface area of the cuboid, isn't it? Now we have to substitute the values of L, B, H in this formula. So which is equal to TSA of the cuboid is equal to 2 into, so what is the value of L? L is 20. So 20 into, what is the breadth B? B is 15. So 20 into 15 plus LB. We have written the values of length and breadth. Now write the plus and then BH. What is your B? Value of B is 15. So 15 into, what is H? H is 8. So 15 into 8 plus, and then HL. Height is 8 centimeter and your L length is 20 centimeter. So substitute all the values of L, B and H. Now which is equal to 2 into, now multiply these two numbers. 20 into 15 is 300. 300 plus 15 into 8 is what? 120, isn't it? Plus 8 into 20 is 160, which is equal to 2 into, adding all these three values, we will get 580. So 2 into 580 is equal to 1160. 1160 is the total surface area of the cuboid. Here they are asking area. So we have to write the unit as centimeter square. So total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 1160 centimeter square. Next we have to find the lateral surface area of the cuboid, that is LSA of the cuboid. So LSA of cuboid is equal to, what is the formula for to find the lateral surface area of the cuboid? I already told you the formula is 2 into L plus B into H square units. This is the formula for to find the lateral surface area of the cuboid. So now we have to substitute the values of length, breadth and height. Now 2 into, what is your L? L is 20 plus breadth. Breadth B is 15 and then close the bracket. Next your values of height is 8. So the value of height is 8. Substitute 8 in this place. Now 2 into 20 plus 15 is what? 35 into 8. So 2 into 35 into 8. 2 into 35 is 70 into 8. 70 into 8 is 560, which is equal to 560. Here also they are asking the area, lateral surface area. So we have to write the unit as centimeter square. Therefore, the total surface area of the cuboid is 1160 centimeter square and lateral surface area of cuboid is 560 centimeter square. Exercise 7.2, second problem. The dimensions of a cuboidal box are 6 meter into 400 centimeter into 1.5 meter. Find the cost of painting its entire outer surface at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square. In this problem, look at the measurements. These three measurements are not in the same unit. Here they are given meter, here they are given centimeter, and once again here meter. So we have to change all the units of this measurement into the same one. So we have to convert this 400 centimeter into meter and then solve the problem. Here they are asking to find the cost of painting the entire box. So in this problem, first we have to find the total surface area of the cuboidal box, and then we have to multiply that answer with this 22 rupees. Then we will get the answer. Solution. Solution. Here they are given the length. This is your length, this is breadth, and this is height. So given L is equal to, the length L is equal to 6 meter, and the breadth B is equal to what they are given, 400 centimeter. So we have to change this centimeter as meter, isn't it? So 400 centimeter can be written as 4 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 400 centimeter can be written as 4 meter. And then the height is equal to what they are given, 1.5 meter. Now all the measurements, length, breadth and height are in the same units, meter. We convert the centimeter as meter. Now let us find the total surface area of what they are given, cuboidal box. Total surface area of the cuboid. What is the formula? 2 into total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula for to find the total surface area of the cuboid. Now we have to substitute the values of LBH in this formula. So 2 into, what is your L? L is 6. 6 into B is 4. Plus the value of B is 4 again, and height H is 1.5, plus here H is nothing but 1.5 into L is 6. So now we had written the values of LBH in this formula. So 2 into 6 into 4, 6 fours are 24, plus 4 into 1.5, 4 into 1.85 is 6, plus 1.5 into 6 will become 9. 1.5 into 6 will become 9. 1.5 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Here the point is appear one digit before, so we have to put the point here. So 9.0 will written as 9. So I have written here as 9. Now 2 into 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. 2 into 39 is equal to 78 meter square. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. In this problem they are asking to find the cost of painting. So cost of painting is equal to 78 into, for 1 meter they are given 22 rupees. So we have to multiply 22 into 78. So 78 into 22 is rupees 1716. So the cost of painting the entire outer surface of the cuboidal box is rupees 1716. 7.2 fourth problem. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube whose side is 8 meter. Now they are asking to find the total surface area TSA and LSA of the cube. We have to find the TSA and LSA of the cube. Solution. Here they are given the side is 8 centimeter. So side we have to take as A. A is equal to 8 meter. Now we have to write the formula of TSA of cube. Total surface area of cube is equal to, what is the formula? The total surface area of the cube is equal to 6a square units, isn't it? So, which is equal to 6 into, what is your value of a? A is 8. So, here they are given a square. So, we have to write 8 as 8 into 8. Now, multiplying these three values, 6 into 8 is 48 into 8. 48 into 8 is 384. So, the answer is 384 meter square. So, this is the total surface area of the cube is equal to 384 meter square. Next, we have to find the LSA, lateral surface area of cube. So, lateral surface area, what is the formula for to find the lateral surface area? The formula is 4a square. Therefore, 4 into, what is the value of a? A is 8. Here they are given a square. So, we have to write 8 into 8. So, 4 8s are 32 into 8. 32 into 8 is 256. So, the answer is 256 meter square. So, the total surface area of the cube is 384 meter square, and the LSA of the cube, the lateral surface area of the cube is 256 meter square. Now, fourth sum, second subdivision. Second subdivision is find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube whose side is 21 centimeter. This is the fourth sum, second subdivision. In this problem, we have to find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube. Here they are given A is equal to 21 centimeter. So, the formula is total surface area of cube is equal to, what is the formula? 6a square. So, 6 into, the value of a is 21. 21 into 21. 6 into 21 into 21 is equal to, the answer is 2646. 2646. Multiply these three numbers, you will get 2646 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the cube. Next, we have to find the lateral surface area of cube. LSA of cube is equal to, the answer is 4. The formula is 4a square. So, now we have to substitute the value of a. A is 21. So, a square is 21 into 21. Therefore, the answer is again 2646. Wait. So, here 21 into 21 is 441. So, 4 into 441 is 1764 centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of the cube. Total surface area of the cube is 2646 and LSA of cube, lateral surface area of the cube is 1764 centimeter square. Exercise 7.2, fifth problem. Exercise 7.2, fifth problem. If the total surface area of a cube is 2400 centimeter square, then find its lateral surface area. Here they are given the total surface area TSA of the cube. Now we have to find the lateral surface area of the cube. Now solution is equal to what they are given. They are given the total surface area of the cube. So, given TSA, total surface area of cube, is equal to, what is the value? 2400 centimeter square. This is total surface area of the cube. Now we have to find the lateral surface area. So now what is the formula for total surface area of the cube? What is the formula? 6a square. So 6a square is equal to what they are given? They are given 2400, isn't it? The total surface area of the cube formula is 6a square and the value they are given is 2400. So from this equation we have to find the value of a square. So a square is equal to 2400 divided by 6. So in this the value of a square is equal to, cancelling these two we will get 400, isn't it? So a square is equal to 400 centimeter square. This is the value of a square we have found now. Now we have to identify the LSA of the cube. So LSA of cube, lateral surface area of the cube, is equal to, what is the formula for to find the LSA of the cube? The formula is 4a square. This is the formula for to find the lateral surface area of the cube. Now 4 is, write 4 as it is, and the value of a square is what? 400. So substitute the value of a square in this place. A square is equal to 400. So 4 into 400 is 1600, isn't it? 1600 centimeter square. So the lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 1600 centimeter square. Students, practice these sums in your notebook and submit it when school reopens.